If you're between 15 and 18 years old and want to get your Texas Learner's Permit, here's what to do. To get a Texas Learner's Permit, you must be at least 15 years old and under 18. You also need to be a Texas resident, enrolled in school, and have started or completed a driver's education course. Once you meet those requirements, collect your documents. That includes your birth certificate or passport, your social security number, proof of Texas address, and a school enrollment form. If you're doing parent-taught driver ed, bring those forms too. Now, go to the Texas DPS website, fill out the Learner's Permit application form, called DL14A, and schedule your appointment. At your DPS visit, a parent or guardian needs to come with you. If you didn't pass the permit test during your course, you'll take it there along with a vision exam. Once you pass everything and pay the fee, you'll get a temporary permit. The official card will be mailed to you. Now you're ready to start practicing behind the wheel with a licensed adult in the car.